Session.
Yeah.
Please,
Shall I
Aradhana,
continue?
go
Yes.
ahead.
Myself, Aradhana Abraham, and I am from Kerala, Trivandrum, and I am working as a manual tester in Scalco Technologies.
Okay.
Yes. And
So you are from Kerala, Aradhana?
yes,
Hmm. So how many experience that you have?
I have 4 years of experience.
So from last 4 years, you're working as a manual tester.
Yes, yes.
Okay. Okay, thank you. So what is the purpose to change this domain? I mean, from manual to automation, right? You are decided to change. So what happened?
Because automation testing is good as per of my opinion because manual testing may be stopped in future and it's better to know about automation. And so I want to switch to.
Okay. Hmm. So you're passed out here?
I passed out in 2015.
2015.
Yes.
Okay. Is there any career gap?
Career gap,
Because
nothing, but worked in different domain. Like previously after college, I just worked as at, like uh,
it's
like
okay.
yeah.
I'm the woman also. I mean, we face a lot of issues, right? So just
Okay.
asking because 2015, right? And you have 4 years experience. So just
Yeah.
why?
Yeah. I'm working as a technical support only. Just there.
Hmm.
Yeah. Then only
Hmm.
I just switched to testing domain.
Hmm. It means you came from non-IT background.
Yes. No, no.
In
My
IT
background
only, but
is
technical support.
from IT only. Yes. Yeah, yeah.
Hmm. Okay. Thank you, Aradhana. And Suman, what about you?
Yes.
Yeah, I am basically from Nalanda district of Bihar, but settled in Pune since almost 2013 after my graduation. That is, I am BTech in production engineering in 2017. But after that, I have a career gap of almost 2 years, and then I started job in manual testing in a startup company based out of Pune only. Then in 2022 July, I switched to uh, a product-based MNC company again in manual testing only. So my purpose
Okay.
of basically learning TOSCA is uh, to enhance my CTC and to change the monotonous behavior of the work nature that manual testing is providing me right now.
Okay. So you're basically from Bihar, but you are
Yeah,
settled in Pune.
Pune. Yes.
Okay. Good. Thank you, Suman. Thank you so much.
Mm.
So first, let me introduce myself and thank you for your introduction. Um, my name is Afroz Begum, as you know, and I will be the instructor for this TOSCA automation testing. So thank you very much for joining us today for this special masterclass on this testing course. So first, I'm looking forward to walking you through this session, which has the potential to shape the next step in your career. So before starting, I mean, before introduce my academy and about uh, task automation testing, just uh, let me uh, let me introduce you my background and expertise. I have completed my graduation in electronics and communication engineer. So before saying my current field, I came from a non-IT background and I was able to build a rewarding IT career with a great package, but it's all due to the expertise and again in software testing. So my belief is if I can achieve it, you can too, right? So and let me share my screen and I'll show you. I'll present my PPT. See, e-tech. All we know that. So eTech is an online education platform, right? And I'm proud to represent eTech, a top tier online education platform which has committed to helping students achieve success. And our TOSCA automation testing course at eTech is specifically designed to prepare you for a career as a non-coding software engineer. And first, let us know like what is software testing. I'll start from here, and after that, I will take you to TOSCA automation testing. So let us understand what is software testing. All we know that, right? So let me just 1 minute. So all we know that it is a method to check whether the actual software product matches expected requirements and to ensure the software product is defect free. So what is this meaning? So our main goal is to check the software whether the software is defect free, and the second thing is to need. Remember is expected requirement should meet with the actual requirement, right? So this is all about software testing. So here I mentioned here there are manual testing and automation testing. There are two types of testings are there that we do. So what we know, what is manual testing and automation testing? So basically, our main goal is to identify the errors, gaps, missing requirements in contrast to actual requirements, right? We need to keep in mind about this main purpose. But basically, manual way is the nothing but the human sitting in front of a computer and then manually executing all test cases, right? But here in the automated way, we create automated scripts and that script we run in automated way, right? We don't need any human interaction between that of any test cases and automatically executes and it's generates reports for us in the but in the manual way we have to do manually perform the test cases and then execute all test cases, right? And then given manual report. So
Okay.
this is the if you go in depth, right? Two more things to remember in software testing like black box testing, white box testing, all you know that I know. But just I'm explaining you because if you entered in main course, right, main sessions, you will know very detailed about levels of testing, black box testing, white box testing, and unit testing, integration testing, very detailed. See, why we need to do a software testing? So why the software testing is very important for us, and what is the need of software testing? As you can see, the software testing is important because with that we can find bugs, errors of it, right? So as early as possible before we can deliver the particular software to the client, we just found bugs and errors. With this software testing, we can easily find the bugs in an application, right? And because properly tested software products ensure the reliability, security, and high performance, which further results in time. And we can save time, we can customer satisfaction and customer effectiveness. So this is why the software testing is very important. But what is the need of software testing? Why why we need? Okay, but what is the need of software testing? So software testing is needed to solve the errors, bugs in an application. But why bugs and errors could be expensive and dangerous? So that's why it is called human loss, monetary loss. So there are many equations in history of human mankind due to software bugs. I know one or two examples like in 2015, a fighter plane was not able to target an enemy flight. So due to a software bug. So another example, if you search in Google, like in 1999, okay, $1.2 million were lost in military satellite launch due to the software bug. Now this was the costliest accident ever in the history just because of a software bug. And 1963 also, the bank account of 823 people in US got credited of $920 million. This was again the biggest accident in history of human mankind. If you just go and Google it, you can see these kinds of things. So just because bugs are there, so this is why the software errors we need to solve for that we need a software thing. So that's why I'm saying the software testing is very, very, very important. Let me take you to TOSCA automation testing. I hope you all got it, right?
Yes, yes.
Yeah. So what is TOSCA? TOSCA is a software tool used for automation testing, okay, which means it helps check if a software or application works correctly without doing all the testing manually. So it is developed by tri-scientists and is very popular. Why? Because here no coding needed. You don't have to be a programmer to use it, and you can easy to use. See, it has a simple and user friendly interface. So, and it saves time by automating repetitive testing tasks. But what does, see here also I mentioned here no coding and easy to use fast testing. That's why Tosca is very popular and it is very boom in market right now. What does Tosca do? It can test web applications, mobile applications, desktop applications, API applications, so Salesforce applications, I mean SAP applications. Number of applications we can test by using this Tosca tool. And instead of clicking buttons or typing manually, Tosca performs these actions automatically. And we can find errors in softwares and by using this Tosca and before it is released to users. And you can use the same test again and again. No need to write the same, I mean, test cases, and you can go execute in every release. Here, don't need it. No need to do that. So you can use the same test cases again and again, and you can save time and effort. But why Tosca is very important? It helps companies deliver high quality software faster, and it can reduce the chances of human errors during testing. And you can work with modern technologies, and you can work with tools, different tools used in software development. So Tosca is perfect for beginners and professionals because it is easy to learn and very effective. It is widely used by companies around the world, which means learning Tosca can open up great career opportunities for you. Let us understand how does
So, ma'am,
Tosca works.
what is difference between selenium and Tosca? Means selenium we know
Sorry,
different. Selenium and Tosca, what is difference?
what I mean, you are asking what is the difference between Selenium and Tosca, right?
Yes, yes.
Yeah, I'll tell you.
Okay.
First, let us understand what is Tosca and how it works. And later, I'll take you what is it. I will tell you what is the difference between Selenium and Tosca. And later, okay, I'll show this Tosca tool. Okay, practically, I will show you how it works. Okay,
Sure.
and how does Tosca works? So it is a tool that helps test the software automatically. Here is how it works. I mean, just in simple steps, just create test cases. I mean, you tell Tosca what to check in the software, like buttons, text boxes, or processes, whatever it is. And this is done just using a simple drag and drop method. So no coding is needed here. And here, second point is run the test. So Tosca runs your test cases automatically. For example, it can click buttons, it can click automatically fill forms, or it can check if pages load correctly or not. Okay. And here check results. So after running the test cases, right, Tosca tells you if everything is working fine or not. If there are any problems, it can show in there is a scratch book and execution logs. Okay. So it will show what is the error and what is the problem. And you can check logs also, execution logs, you can find it. So reuse test. Once you create a test, you can use it again for similar tasks and you can save time and efforts also. But why should you learn Tosca? See, you can save time. Already you know that automating test is faster than manual testing and you can easy to use for beginners. And many companies use Tosca, so it is great for your career. And it works with different applications like websites, mobile applications, API applications, and so on. But how to start learning Tosca is just understand what testing is and how Tosca helps. Okay. And use Tosca to create and run simple test cases. You can join a TOSCA training program to learn step by step and earn a certification like Tri-Scientist TOSCA Automation Specialist to show your skills. Okay. See, uh, there are number of benefits, right? So I'll show you one thing. So you're asking, right? See, this is the TOSCA tool actually. I'll tell you, before you asking, right? This is the TOSCA tool. When you installed in your application, in your machine, personal laptop, right? When you open that, it will show like this. And this is the trial version. It is very similar to real environment. Here, there is no validity. I mean, just I will tell you if you enroll for main course, right? Main sessions. So when you main course started, right, I will tell you how to install this application. I have a links I will share with you. You just click on that and you will get license after a few minutes. Okay, you can install this tool. This is a trial version. You don't need anything. You don't need to pay, or generally people think like it is a paid tool and it is not open source, but I will tell you it is a open source. It is a licensed tool, not sorry, it is a licensed tool, but it is there is no need to pay. Okay. And since 6 months I'm using this tool in my personal laptop. And first of all, Tosca is one of the popular testing platforms which is developed by Tricentis, and it is accelerates testing with no code and scriptless for end-to-end automation. And this tool is used for both functional testing, regression testing, non-functional testing, and it also supports a graphical user interface, command line interface, application programming interface. So what is the advantage of using this? Fast execution and capable of continuous testing. And it also supports Agile, decreases regression testing time, and we can maximize its maintainability and reusability. And it has ability to integrate with the third-party tools. And here test development is so easy. Okay, and multiple features in one tool I can show you. And it is completely scriptless automation. So it supports multiple platforms, drag and drop functionality here you can see, and easy to learn and user friendly graphical user interface. So here there are main components of Tosca. Four types of main components of Tosca. This is the whatever you have see, right? This is the Tosca commander. See here, there is a top on the name, top of the screen, Tosca commander. And after that, you can see Tosca executor, Tosca excan, test repository, everything you can see. So let us understand first Tosca, what is Tosca commander? So it is one of the essential parts of this tool for developing, managing, and analyzing test cases. So it is the core backbone of the Tosca. So it is used for creating projects. Here we creating projects already you can see Tosca Batch-3, Tosca Training 1, Tosca Tutorial. So it is used for creating projects. The Tosca commander build with the different sections. See, when you entered in one project, like you can see different sections like requirements, modules, test cases, test case design. It is very similar to SDLC, software testing life cycles. Whatever we have seen right in SDLC, so that names also you can see as in sections. Okay, and I'll show you one thing. So here there are options. Create new, right? So before that, I'll tell you one thing. So your question is what is the difference between Selenium and uh, Tosca, right?
Yes.
See, Selenium, what you will choose here. Tosca is completely no code and scriptless. Okay.
Okay.
So my question is, it is if it is no code and scriptless, what we are using, how we are using, and when we are using this. See, if you see other automation tools, there is no particular model. We just simply write code and we are going to execute that code.
Yes.
Selenium also you have a code, Anuradha, right?
Yes, Aradhana.
Aradhana, sorry. Aradhana. So, Selenium, you should know the coding language. It is the combination of Java or Python.
Yes.
Um and you should know, like, see, here requirement for requirement analysis for defect tracking. You should, it obviously depends on project. We can use Jira tool. For reports, you should know like test MG tool. And for automation, Selenium. In Selenium, what you will do, you write the code, okay, Java or Python, and by taking the help of automation tool, Selenium tool, you can go and test it by using coding.
Yes.
And but here, no code, and it's completely scriptless and no code. How I am saying? That's why it is developed because end-to-end automation, and it is a single platform, and it uses model-based testing. So if you see, as we discussed earlier, we just say simply write code and we are going to execute that code, right? But in Tosca, it is completely no code and scripted. But what we will do, whatever we want to do, the automated of the application, then first we scan and create a module, and we will arrange the modules in a sequence manner and executed it. So this is the, see, I'm clicking on that. So first of all, this is a Tosca commander, right? Here we create, execute, and organize in Tosca commander. What we are doing here, first we plan, we will write the test cases and develop the test cases and executed them, and that reports like a test summary report generated in this Tosca commander. Once you enter this Tosca commander, then you will get different sections for every task. It will be like SDLC phases, very similar. If you can see the different sections, and here there is an option like create new. Create new means here you can create a project. If you click on that, there is a, like, see, Tosca commander create new workspace. You could see the names of also, but by default it is a none. So there is a drop down. You can click on this. There are multiple things like SQLite, Oracle, DB2. You could see the names of databases, right? And it is present under the repository actually. We can remember, I mean, okay, repository means storage or database, okay, where your project gets stored. Whatever the project creating, that will go and store into a repository. So repository means database, and you can see the names of a database here. But in when you ent, in main courses, you are going with a single user workspace. If we don't any, it means we don't select any database. It is treated as a single user workspace. What is single user workspace? Whatever the project that you are creating, right, it will be accessing only by you. And because we are located at different places, and everyone has their own laptop, and everyone created one project and work on this TOSCA, right? So when you created single workspace, only yourself can access the project what have created. Others can't able to see the project. Okay. And we are not selecting any database over there. But what is called multi-user workspace? Whatever the project that we create as a multi-user workspace, as a single user, we are not selecting any database, but a multi-user, you can select any database, right? So if you see, I have selected MS SQL Server repository. Then the input has been changed, right? There are various options. In real time, when you're working on this TOSCA, whatever the project that company created, that will be a multi-user workspace only. Because multi-user means maybe in a project there are 10 people or 15 people, right? Everybody can access the same project. And they want to access this TOSCA and they want access the project which is created for everyone. So whenever they select any kind of repository as a database, okay. So here there is option schema. So basically for every database, there is one schema. This schema only they will build the database. It should have schema name like Oracle, client, versions, dynamic server, port address. So all these things build upon a server. So in the real time, in the company project, they will only give all the details in order to create the repository. The only one and important job for you is how do you create? That's it. And there is a connection string. I mean, if I'm going to create a project, this is going to store in a database. First of all, I need to connect with database, right? It is a simple thing. I will just give you a small example. If we want to listen to the class, there should be some connection, right? Zoom meeting is a connection. Similarly, I'm creating the project. I mean, I'm going in further, I'm going to create the project and asking to store the project in a database. I should connect with database, right? So this is another level, okay? But in real time, we just use as a single user. We can't connect with the database. And why I'm telling this, you should know because we are not in real time environment. We are not working in same company, right? We are not colleagues. And if we are colleagues, then yeah, definitely we work with multiple user workspace. And you can select a name for the new workspace, and you can this also checkbox. I will tell you what is standard.ts. It is very, very, very important here. And after that, you can click on OK. Okay. Right now, I'm click on cancel because I already create that, right? So I'm going to enter in one project, right? See, there are different sessions. Here, the most important things are modules, test cases, execution, test case design. Okay. Here, by using these four sections, right, 95 to 98% of your daily work on TOSCA, whenever you open the TOSCA in your machine in a real-time project or company with these four sections only. So these are four in most important sections. You can see other sections also. See, test cases, execution, modules, issues, reporting, requirement, test case design, test planning. I will tell you everything. Okay. Not only on four sections, I will not say because you have to know, right? What is these sections and why we are using this, but why we are not using this also. You should know that. And what is a module? So I'm going to start automation with these modules. Module is a group or collection of attributes. Okay. And I mean, this modules contains technical information which is present in the application. So what we are doing here and why do we need to create a module means the TOSCA automation tool does not require any coding language or scripting language. If I don't write any coding, if I don't write any scripting, then how will I do automation? Right? So I can do automation to have something to do with the automation. Okay. So modules of the application will be created instead of scripts and any coding language. I'm just going to create a module of the application, like I mean how the application will be reacting in the runtime. Okay. So I will take one application like web application or insurance application, and I will tell you how we will go test the application. And by using that application, right, we will create the modules. And here modules, it stores and it contains technical information of that application. So whatever the web applications have controls, attributes, anything, buttons, radio buttons, everything, we can store, I mean, that technical information we can store as a modules. Okay. And by using these modules, we can create a test cases. So I mean, here we are executing the test cases. Here, see, I'll write one test case. You can see that this is our complete test case. I mean, very small test case actually. So what I'm here. See here, open URL means when I click that, okay, when I execute this test case, automatically it will go to the browser. It will open URL. This is a URL, okay. I have pasted it already. And this is a, see, it will go, I mean, first it will open web application and it will go and click on registered automatically. Everything is automatically. And automatically it will fill the registration details and it will verify the success message, whatever there, I mean, registration successfully, right? When we, I mean, when it is successfully done, you will get the notification, right? So that message also verified and you can, I mean, automatically it will go and click and you can see that. it will go automatically click on logout and it will closed. So this is our small test case. And you can see here also, here we can use dynamic expression, synchronization, everything you can know in main course. But why we need to create here modules, test cases? Because we are not writing any coding, any scripting, then you need to have something to start, right? Then you are going to capture the application in the form of modules. If someone has asked you to visit some address without, if you're not giving the address, some person can't visit to that place, right? So you need to have some information about this particular thing, right? And if I want to also automate the application, I need to have an information about the controls which are present in the application. That thing I'm going to create that as a module, and this is the reason why we are going to work on modules. I hope you understand, guys. Right? You got it up? Suman?
Yes.
Aradhna?
Yeah.
So you got it, whatever what I have explained.
Yeah, not exactly, but uh, kind of. I am getting an rough overview.
Okay, at least a little bit, right?
Yeah, since I am not
Aradhna?
aware of even the
Yeah.
workflow, so
Yeah,
limited
you can
understanding. I
even I'm when I start this training, right? Before this job, so even I'm also confused and I don't understand. So later, slowly, I came to know, okay, what is TOSCA and how to create modules and how to write the scenarios, test cases, how to execute these test cases. Everything I will tell you very slowly, Suman. Don't worry about it. If you join this course, okay?
Mhm.
Yeah, Aradhna, what about you? Are you there, Aradhna?
Yes, ma'am, some network issues are facing. And hello,
What what type of issues?
network issues I'm facing actually. Connection,
Okay, okay. It's okay. See, after this session, right, you will get this live session video. Okay. Just refer
yes.
it. If you have any doubts, please ping in WhatsApp. Okay. And you can call me.
Didn't get you, ma'am. Your voice not.
Sorry,
Hello.
Aradhana. I'm not able to hear you. It's your voice is chopping.
I'm asking, ma'am, what is told now because I'm not able to listen. That voice is breaking.
Uh, you're asking me again this tool. What is
No, no,
this?
no, no, ma'am. I'm
Oh
asking
yeah.
is something you told now. I'm not able to listen properly because of the breaking
Okay.
voice. Yes.
What I'm saying, after this session, right? You will get live session video. This masterclass live session video, you will get this video. Okay. Through your
Okay, ma'am.
email. Just go and check it and refer it. What I'm saying here. If you have any doubts, please ping me in WhatsApp or you can call me.
Sure.
Okay.
Oh, okay, ma'am.
Yeah, Ranna.
Yeah, sure.
So, see, at eTech, we offer a course on Tosca, one of the most popular tools for automation testing. So this course is designed for anyone who wants to learn how to test software quickly and easily using automation. So Tosca is unique because it does not require any coding skills, making it perfect for beginners and professionals alike. So what Tosca is and why it is important for Tosca and how Tosca helps test different software like websites, mobile applications, API applications, and here you can create test cases. So you can learn to design test cases without writing any code, and you can understand how to execute test cases and check for errors,
Okay,
and
ma'am.
you can
Could you please write one test cases, means if
because
possible
see,
only.
Aradhna, yeah, I already show you this test cases, right? This is the test cases I have already written. And this is the
Okay.
master class, right? I'm just here telling you, okay, what is the importance of this TOSCA and why we are learning and what is the achievements, what is the specifications of this TOSCA. So
Okay.
in this master class, I will show you how I'm writing here. This is the modules. I already created this modules here. See how many modules I have created already, created everything. Okay.
Okay.
So,
Mm.
and here test cases also. This is the test case I have written. Okay. And I will, if you entered in main course, right, I will show you everything, how to create even each and every point. If you entered in, day one, in IT company, day one, what you will do? What is the needs to be do? Okay.
That's
That,
so good.
that thing, that minor things to major things, basics to advance. I will tell you everything. Here, this is masterclass. I will, just wanna show you how it is works. Okay, if I'm going to
So,
create this test cases and
so,
modules, everything, right, it will take time.
okay. So, ma'am, for in our section classes, okay, how we can work only one project or multiple projects? So, could you please tell that how it works?
Sorry, please come again. I don't understand your
I said
question.
that when we join the classes, okay. So,
Mm.
so how we work means that uh, that we can work as a single project or do the multiples. What?
Of course, multi-project, Aradhana. You can
Okay.
work with multi-user workspace. Why I'm saying single-user workspace, right? I'm located in Pune, and he's the person also who located in, Pune, right? And also you are in, Kerala. You are from Kerala. We are in different, right? We are not connected with database. We are not working in same company, right?
So
So that's why
I can use it
single
in
user
my
workspace
project
only,
also.
and you can access only by you. And you can go here, you can create your modules, test cases, everything, and you can practice it and you can work upon it. But it is up to your convenience. What you are understanding, that is that thing it will show in these modules and test cases by you only. You are the person, you are the only person that you are going to use this Tosca tool, and you can access by you only, and you will only work upon it. And in middle of the session, right, I will check what you are doing and how you do practice well. Okay,
Okay.
because you have to screen the share, and I can see you. If you have any doubts, I will tell you this is not a scenario. Okay. This can, you can change, you can make the changes like different. I will tell you, I will guide you everything.
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah. See, if you're a beginner, right, if you are new to software testing, this course will teach you the basics and automation. And if you're already manual tester, this course helps you move into automation testing roles. And anyone looking to learn a new skill and boost their career. But here, no code needed. It is, it is simple to use and doesn't require programming language. And many companies need professionals who know how to use TOSCA. And TOSCA can test all
Ma'am,
kinds of software. Sorry.
yeah, I have one question.
Yeah. Yeah,
Like
Suman.
on a fresher level, how much hike can I expect after completing the certification? Since I have
So,
experience of 4 years
salary.
manual, but
So you are asking about CTC?
yes, like how much hike will I get on my current CTC?
See, I don't know your company, but how
Yeah,
many have you have experience, Suman? May I
four
know?
4.2 years.
4.2 years, right?
Yes.
Hmm. And see, I will just tell you about salary packages as of my knowledge.
Yeah.
In India, as a average salary package for an automation engineer for 3 to 5 years of experience,
Mhm.
around 14 to 15 lakhs.
Okay.
because
Mm-hmm.
in my experience, I just have 3.5 years of experience. Okay, at that time, I had got selected in product-based company, and I got offered
Mm-hmm.
14.5 LPA.
So, ma'am,
It's
after
3.5.
learn
Just
this, uh,
sorry.
But we will be considered fresher in automation na? After completing this course even.
After this course, what?
We will be considered as a fresher in TOSCA automation na?
Yeah, TOSCA
So,
automation tester, and after
so
this,
still
I
will,
mean,
yeah.
yeah, tell me.
So still we will get 14, 15 lakhs.
Yeah, 14, 15 lakhs, 3 to 5 years, 14, 15 lakhs, you can get it.
Okay.
no,
And
ma'am,
uh,
actually,
and please
I
note that
think
figures can vary based on factors, okay, such as the company size,
I think,
location,
ma'am, he's
industry.
asking that we have 3+ years in as a manual tester, but after
Yeah,
we
3 plus.
learned from TOSCA that we are fresher in automation testing. So how it works? That I think he's asking that.
Oh, please explore your question, Suman. Actually, I don't understand because you are working as a tester, right? Manual tester. After that, you
Yeah.
can switch in TOSCA automation tester.
Yes.
Already you have a 4 plus years experience, right?
Yes. Yes.
4 plus years experience, you just to put as okay, 2 years. I mean, you can show in the same company, right? I mean, you want to switch in another company, just show 1 year of experience as a manual tester, and rest of the months I have worked as a TOSCA automation tester. Okay. I mean,
Mhm.
don't show like as from last 4.5 5 years from I'm as working as a manual tester, because TOSCA automation tester should hands-on experience. So you should have hands-on experience. That's why you just show like, okay, 1 year or 1.5 years I have worked as a manual tester, and later I have appointed as I mean test engineer or QA engineer, whatever. I mean automation engineer. So
Mhm.
you just tell that I am as a TOSCA automation tester, and you can crack the interview. Okay, just crack the
Okay.
interview. And before that, please note that, I mean, whatever you give an interview to the company, right? Just check company size, okay, specific skills of the individual, and economic conditions, okay, and salaries may have changed since due to various factors, and inflation, economic conditions, and demands for automation engineers and other market forces. I just,
Okay.
I mean, recommended checking the latest data from reputable sources like job portals, industry reports. So
Mhm.
just check on it, up to date information on salaries in this field. Okay.
Okay.
So in companies like you can see Infosys, TCS, Wipro, Capgemini, Cognizant, you can expect 12 to 15 lakhs with the counter offer. Okay, with the counter offer 15, I mean 15, 16 LPA. And if you go with the Deloitte, KPMG, PwC, you can expect 15 to 17 LPA. And in companies JP Morgan, okay,
Mhm.
Morgan Stanley, you can expect 20 plus LPA. And we can, with the counter offers, it can go up to 40 LPA. And
Okay.
Microsoft, Google, Amazon, you can expect 30 plus LPA. Not counter offer. I'm just a basic, I mean, the starting salary starts with this company's 30 plus LPA.
Okay.
Okay. And important thing is, so if you go through the consulting strike, this is an important thing that you should remember, and everyone do these things. And this is the wrong way. If you go through the consulting strikes, will charge in lakhs, like 2 or 3 lakhs for job placements, and most of them we can't trust. Don't go with this situations, okay? So instead of
Mhm.
trusting consultants blindly, it's good to learn a skill and try for an interview. Just learn the skill and build your skills and try for an interview. So believe me, without knowledge, without skill, if you go through consultants like, then you will be thrown out of the company. Just learn whatever I'm saying. Just go through with these concepts thoroughly. Okay.
Mhm.
And whatever, I mean, do what, I mean, basically what happened, right? Many peoples go without knowledge in that in IT companies. So whatever money you pay will be wasted. So if you go, I mean, like backdoor, you have listened, right? Backdoor or just so many people's money wasted on this. We will give a proper training. I mean, with this training, if required, they can go as experience as well. We will help them in interview preparation, resume building, and guidance and tips. If any reference, we will suggest you. Okay.
Okay.
So here, without any large investment, they can earn a very good job. Okay, if they learn the skill, practice, and you can try hard,
So will we
right?
get a certification for this course?
I mean, you're asking where this course when will start, right?
Yes.
December 12th. December 12th, the main course will start.
Okay.
See, at E-Tech, right, we make sure you learn through practical experience and expert guidance. By end of this course, you will be confident in using TOSCA and ready to start your career in software testing. Okay. And see, we offer a TOSCA course and designed to help learn software testing with easy. It's just a duration 40 to 45 days, and it depends on your grasping power. Okay. And depends on your learning pace. It will, I mean, there is a flexible schedules available, morning sessions and evening sessions. And the total fees of this course, you can just check it with eTech member.
Mm-hmm.
And I think installments also available. I think so. Okay.
Okay.
Just see whatever training from professionals experience in TOSCA and software testing. Okay. And I will show you real world examples and tasks to practice what you learn. And everything you will get guidance for clearing the TOSCA automation specialist certifications. Okay. And you can access to study materials, recorded sessions, and one-on-one doubt clearing sessions. Everything you will get it. Okay. If you all got it right, do you have any doubts?
No, it's all. Okay.
See, begin as a manual tester or software tester. You can find bugs and ensuring products work well. So as you gain experience, you can learn automation tools like a Zero tool. I mean, this automation tool. So it is work faster and more efficiently. Just focus on a specific area. Okay. And with more experience, you can become a test lead or QA manager, and you can guide a team and planning testing strategies. Hmm? And
Yes.
just grow further roles like consult and test architect, quality head, where you design entire testing systems, or you can lead also large projects. So there is a number of chances, and there, I mean, number of roles also you can switch into that. So just learn related skills like business analysis or development to move into hybrid roles if you wish. Once again, I'm saying here there are many benefits this TOSCA testing. There is no code here. You don't need code skills to use TOSCA. So it's great for beginners. And it will automatically, you can I mean, you can execute a test cases. You don't have to repeat it to task manually. And it can works on many platforms. And you reuse the test cases. You can use the same test cases for different scenarios. And it works well with modern tools, and it gives clear reports to understand test results and improve quality. And it works both small projects, large projects, everything. Okay. And just lots of resources, forums, and tutor. I mean, here I will provide you session videos also. It will available for you to help you learn. Okay. In short, I will Tosca makes testing faster and it easier and more efficient. Okay, guys. So do you have a number? E-Tech number?
Yes, yes. I already joined the group.
Yeah. So just go through it. If you have any doubts, please ask me, Suman and Aradhna.
Okay.
Okay.
So, do you know Hindi, ma'am?
Yeah, I know Hindi. I can speak Hindi, I can speak Telugu, I can speak English, Urdu. I can speak, I mean, not much, little bit of Kannada.
Hindi is good if you know. If
Okay.
you have
You're good
issues
in
on
Hindi.
yes.
What about Suman?
Yes, I am
Sorry.
efficient in Hindi. As it's our mother tongue.
Oh, yeah. Right, Bihar, right?
Yes.
I forgot. सो मैं
Hindi
हिंदी
and
में बात
both.
कर सकती हूँ, कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है यहाँ पे। तो
Mm-hmm.
आपको कुछ जानना है तो आप मुझसे पूछ सकते हैं या फिर सवाल कर सकते हैं, कोई बात नहीं। आप कुछ पूछना चाहते हैं, प्लीज हेसिटेट मत करो। यहाँ पे
ये
हम सीखने के लिए आए हैं।
जनवरी तक खत्म होगा ना मैम कोर्स ना, अगर ज्वाइन करे तो।
हाँ, अगर दिसंबर 12 स्टार्ट करेंगे तो जनवरी में खत्म होने वाला है, क्योंकि इट टेक्स 40 डेज। सो 40 डेज में खत्म, आई मीन मोस्टली मैं खत्म करती हूँ 40 डेज में खत्म करती हूँ, बट एक्स्ट्रा से 45 डेज लगा हुआ है, क्योंकि कोई जल्दी से ग्रास्प कर लेता है, कोई जल्दी से सिनेरियोस लिख लेता है, कोई जल्दी से नहीं कर पाता वो चीज। अगर कोई ज्यादा इंटरेस्टेड है, कोई ज्यादा सिनेरियोस को ज्यादा अच्छे तरीके से ले पाता है, तो वो जल्दी कर लेता है वो। तो 5 5 सेशंस ऐसे मैंने डिले कुछ लीव्स या फिर कोई मतलब फेस्टिवल्स के लिए लीव देना पड़ता है ना, तो ऐसी चीजों के लिए या फिर डाउट सेशंस के लिए, रिज्यूम प्रिपरेशन के लिए मैंने रखा हुआ है। नॉर्मली 40 डेज में खत्म हो जाता है ये चीज।
ओके मैम। तो ये इंटरव्यूज वगैरह आप ही लोग प्रोवाइड करेंगे?
इंटरव्यू व्हाट?
आप लोग मतलब आप ही लोग प्रोवाइड करेंगे ना, मतलब आगे अगर हम स्विच करना चाहे
अगर
तो?
ओपनिंग्स, हाँ हम रेफर करते हैं। अगर हम यहाँ पे सी हमारे ओपनिंग फिलहाल अभी ओपनिंग है, तो क्या है ना, आप लोग प्रिपेयर नहीं हो इस चीज के लिए, तो मेरा कांटेक्ट एक कंपनी से है, जो मैनेजर पूछ रहे कि कोई प्रोफाइल है तो सेंड कर दो। वो मैनेजर है, मैंने उनके साथ काम कर चुकी हूँ। तो वो हैदराबाद में लोकेशन, कंपनी हैदराबाद के लोकेशन में है वो कंपनी। तो उस चीज में क्या हो रहा है ना, कैंडिडेट कोई प्रिपेयर नहीं है अभी। तो एक बंदी थी, जो उसका नाम सृजना था, तो मेरे स्टूडेंट ही
हम्म।
थी। तो उसका प्रोफाइल पास कर दिया था हमने। तो पहले क्या हुआ, इसके वो ओपनिंग के पहले उसने टीसीएस में सेलेक्ट हो गई थी। टीसीएस मीन्स वो
ओ,
क्लाइंट था, बट आईबीएमटी समथिंग कुछ था। लेवल 3 लेवल 4 का, लेवल 3 कंपनी। तो उसका क्लाइंट
हम्म।
था टीसीएस, तो उसमें सेलेक्ट हो गई थी, बट बैंगलोर लोकेशन, ये रहती थी हैदराबाद में। तो हैदराबाद लोकेशन ही चाहिए था। मुझे पता था एक कंपनी जो उसको रेफर कर दी मैंने, एंड शी गॉट प्लेस्ड। उस कंपनी में भी उसको ऑफर लेटर आ गया। ओके। एंड यू विल गेट स्क्रीन शॉट्स, सृजना का स्क्रीन शॉट्स मैं भेज दूंगी आप लोगों को पर्सनली, और उसका ऑफ लेटर भी, ताकि उसको आई मीन उसका रिसेंटली जो नवंबर में ही जॉब आया है, नवंबर 7 उसका ज्वाइनिंग था। और
ओके
वो
मैम।
फिर से स्विच कर गई। तो ये पॉइंट है, एक्चुअली ओपनिंग्स है। कोई सोचते हैं कि तो उसका कोई यूज नहीं कर रहा है, कोई कोई अनाप शनाप बोलते
ये
रहते हैं।
कॉस्टली
आई
है
डोंट
ना,
नो व्हाई पीपल दे आर सेटिंग।
सेलेनियम की
या
तरह ओपन सोर्स तो नहीं है ना ये?
सेलिनियम की तरह,
इसका
आई मीन यही बता, ओपन सोर्स मीन्स व्हाट? प्रैक्टिस करने के
मतलब
लिए
इसका,
आपको पास टूल है या नहीं है, ये चीज है ना।
हाँ वो भी एक मेरा कंसर्न था। और एक
हाँ
ये कि कंपनी इसको हेजिटेट करती है एडॉप्ट करने में, क्योंकि ये इसका लाइसेंस भी बहुत कॉस्टली है कॉर्पोरेट्स के लिए। मुझे ऐसा
हाँ
पता था,
कॉर्पोरेट।
आई एम नॉट श्योर।
हाँ जी, ये सही है, क्योंकि उस कंपनी कंपनी जो यूज करे ना, टॉप एमएनसी कंपनी जो भी यूज करे ना, वो
हम्म।
पेड लाइसेंस है, और वो उनको पे करना चाहिए, वो उनका प्रॉब्लम है एक्चुअली। अगर कंपनी में प्रोजेक्ट, एक ह्यूज प्रोजेक्ट्स होते हैं या बिग प्रोजेक्ट्स होते हैं, उनको खत्म करना है, तो क्या करेंगे, वो टोस्का को लेंगे पे करके। अब यहाँ पे क्या बोल रही हूँ, टॉप एमएनसी कंपनीज में ही जाना पड़ेगा क्या, ऐसा सवाल करेंगे ना, तो मैं बोलती हूँ ये गलत है। टॉप
हम्म।
एमएनसी ने उसके नीचे जो कंपनीज रहते हैं, जो एम्प्लॉयज को प्रोवाइड करते हैं। लाइक मैं क्या बोल रही हूँ, लाइक हायर, एक कंपनी में सेलेक्ट हुई थी हायर। ओके,
हम्म।
उसका क्लाइंट था डेलॉइट। अब
हम्म।
डेलॉइट तो रही एमएनसी कंपनी, हायर रही लेवल 3 कंपनी। अब लेवल 3 कंपनी में क्या हो गया, मुझे सैलरी देने वाला हायर है, बट मैं
हम्म।
किसके लिए काम करूंगी यहाँ पे, डेलॉइट के लिए। डेलॉइट का क्या कर रहा है, वो टोस का यूज कर रहा है। क्यों? अब क्या, मैं क्या बोल रही हूँ, अगर ये वो डेलॉइट मुझे ऑफर कर रहा है, मुझे एम्प्लॉय चाहिए, अफरोज बेगम चाहिए मुझे काम करने के लिए, तो इस पे
हम्म
मुझे कौन हायर करा, हायर हायर कंपनी हायर करी है मुझे, राइट?
हम्म
तो ऐसे सोचते हैं ना कि टॉप एंड में मुझे जाके डायरेक्ट डेलाइट में बैठना पड़ेगा क्या? नहीं, मैं कहीं पे भी नीचे वाला लेवल 3 कंपनी से भी मैं काम कर सकती हूँ डेलाइट वालों को। और कोई बंदा था एसेंचर, एसेंचर डायरेक्ट नहीं गई मैं, इनडायरेक्टली गई हूँ मैं वहां पे। एसेंचर मेरा क्लाइंट था, वो यूज
हम्म
कर रहे थे टोस का, बट मेरी कंपनी सेलेक्ट हुई थी किसी और के लिए। एम्प्लॉय एज ए एम्प्लॉय मैं किसी और की थी, मैं वर्किंग
हम्म
एसेंचर को करना चाहिए था, बट मेरी सैलरी कम थी वहां पे, एसेंचर को कुछ कम ऑफर कर रहे थे, इसलिए मैंने चूज नहीं किया था। ये रीजन। ओके।
तो अभी बड़ी जो प्रोडक्ट बस कंपनीज होती है वो ये टोस्का यूज नहीं करती है क्या?
बड़ी कंपनीज यूज कर रहे हैं ना, टॉप आई मीन एमएनसी कंपनीज ऑलमोस्ट यूज कर रहे हैं चीज। और
हम्म
अब लेवल 4 कंपनी, स्टार्टअप कंपनी हम इतना पेड करके नहीं ले सकते। अब स्टार्टअप कंपनी की जगह एक लेवल 3 कंपनी, आई मीन लेवल 3, लेवल 2, लेवल 1 ऐसे जाएंगे ना, तो आपका काम बन जाएगा। लेवल स्टार्टअप कंपनीज में क्या, एक 10 लोग रहेंगे बस, या 20 लोग रहेंगे स्टाफ, ऐसे ऐसे चीजों का हम स्टार्टअप कंपनी बोलते हैं, करेक्ट?
हम्म।
हाँ, स्टाफ 25 से लेकर या 30 या 23 तक रहते हैं, उनको हम बोलते हैं स्टार्टअप कंपनी। ऐसे कंपनीज में आप जाएंगे तो उसको वहां पे टोस्का देखने को मिलने ही मिलेगा। आप प्रॉपर से जाइए, रेज्यूम रखिए, इंटरव्यू आई मीन बहुत सारे वेबसाइट्स है, मॉन्स्टर है, इंडीड है, और नौकरी.com है। आपको बहुत सारे कॉल्स आएंगे। स्टिल
हम्म
सृजना और वो जो कैंडिडेट सेलेक्ट हुई है वो, और मैं, और एक लड़की है ज्योति बोल के, हम तीनों भी मेरे स्टूडेंट्स अब एक्चुअली, बट मैंने भी रेज्यूम रखा, उन लोगों ने भी रेज्यूम रखा, उनको कॉल्स आ रहे हैं। और एक तो आई मीन वो प्लेस्ड होगी, और दूसरी लड़की बस वो प्रिपरेशन में थोड़ा स्लो है, इसलिए वो है ना क्रैक नहीं कर पा रही है। तो उसका प्रिपरेशन चल रहा है और साथ में इंटरव्यूज भी दे रही है वो।
हम्म
बस 10 ही दिन हुआ है उसका बाहर जाके। तो ये कहा, बस मैं क्या बोल रही हूँ, जो मैं कॉन्सेप्ट बोलती हूँ उसको प्रॉपर आप हर बात पे आप अटेंटिव देके आप सुनेंगे ना, तो आप
हम्म
शायद जल्दी से जल्दी 3 मंथ्स में ना आप कंप्लीट आई मीन इंटरव्यू को क्रैक कर सकते हैं। अगर आप लेट ले लेंगे तो कुछ नहीं हो पाएगा। सीखने पर ही कुछ आपको नॉलेज गेन कर सकते हैं,
नहीं,
प्रैक्टिस
मुझे
करने के बाद ही
जल्दी
आपको समझ में आएगा सिनेरियोस।
मुझे विद इन अ मंथ स्विच करना है तो हो जाएगा क्या?
विद इन ये मंथ मीन्स
क्योंकि
आपको
मेरा जो
लाइक
हाँ हाँ
आपको विद इन मंथ में कैसा होगा ये तो थोड़ा कॉन्सेप्ट सीखना पड़ेगा ना, आपको प्रैक्टिस
मतलब
करना पड़ेगा
हाँ
विद इन।
एक मंथ मतलब 1 से 2 मंथ में
एटलीस्ट 1.5 मंथ तो टाइम लेना ही पड़ेगा आपको।
फिर मतलब मैक्सिमम 2 मंथ्स का टाइम है मेरे पास ऐसे
हाँ,
1 मंथ में। क्योंकि
हाँ,
जो मेरे
चलेगा,
मैनेजर है ना उनका उनका
चलेगा,
मैनेजर
मैं
का
सिखा दूंगी, लेकिन आपको परफेक्ट होना पड़ेगा सुमन।
उसके लिए नॉर्मल लैपटॉप पे अपना हो जाएगा ना, उसमें कुछ
हाँ, नॉर्मल
एडिशनल?
लैपटॉप काफी है, आपको कोई कुछ नया खरीदने की जरूरत नहीं है, जो लैपटॉप आपके पास है
हम्म।
जो वही काफी है।
ओके।
और कुछ सुमन, एनी
नहीं।
क्वेरीज?
No, ma'am.
आराधना?
No, no,
नो?
no. I
या,
will ask him to. Otherwise, I'll contact you.
या, श्योर आराधना। ओके, एंड आई होप आपको कुछ डाउट्स नहीं है, राइट?
Yes.
यस।
या, सो सी, इफ यू, आई बिलीव इन मेकिंग क्लासेस इंटरेक्टिव। सी, मैं आपके क्वेश्चंस को इंक्रेज करती हूँ, डिस्कशंस को भी इंक्रेज करती हूँ। डोंट हेसिटेट टू स्पीक अप इफ समथिंग इज अनक्लियर। ओके, आई एक्सपेक्ट you both of you to actively participate and contribute a respectful learning environment. Okay, and I hope we can create a great learning experience together. So feel free to ask questions if you have any concerns or ideas.
Sure, ma'am.
Yeah, and so thank you so much for participating in today's masterclass. And we hope you gained useful insights and felt inspired. So at eTech Academy, and we are here to help you start a successful career एंड इन डेटा मैनेजमेंट, आई मीन डेटा मैनेजमेंट मीन्स टोस का मैनेज को कैसे करते हैं डेटा, हम सब कुछ दिखा देंगे। तो आप अच्छे तरीके से सीख, आई मीन ज्वाइन करेंगे तो सीखने, ये मेरा गारंटी है। एंड थैंक यू वेरी
Okay.
मच एंड एंजॉय द रेस्ट ऑफ योर डे, both of you.
Yeah, thank you. Wish you the same.
Okay.
Thank you so much, man. Thank you, Aradhana.
Bye. Take care.
Bye.
Bye. Take care. Good night.
Good night.
Yeah.